Good morning, artists, and welcome back. I hope you had a great spring break and you're ready to make some creative art today. Today we're going to be making collages, and what you're going to need to make a collage are scissors, glue, some paper that you can cut up, and some paper to attach it to. In my example, I use a magazine. You might have some magazines around your house that your parents don't mind you cutting up, or you might just need to use a newspaper or something else. Just see whatever you have around, but you can make this a lot of different ways. So the first thing we're gonna do is just cut up our paper into little bits. It's kind of fun just using the scissors, seeing what shapes you can make. If the scissors get frustrating, you can also just rip the paper with your hands. That can be kind of fun sometimes. So what we're doing right now is just making a pile, taking a piece of paper and just making it into lots of little pieces. Okay, so now that we have our pile, we're gonna take our plain piece of paper. For me, it's just a regular piece of white printer paper, and I'm gonna add some glue to that paper, and I'm just gonna start putting the shapes down. For me, I decided to make mine kind of in the shape of a person, but you might decide to do it in a different shape. What we're doing is just taking something apart and putting it back together in a fun, creative way. You might wanna do a house, you might wanna do a landscape, you might just wanna put crazy designs all over the paper, and that's fine too. All right, so in my example, I draw just the rough outline of the person that I want to make. It might kind of look like a stick figure, and I'm going kind of lightly with pencil because those lines don't really matter. Those are just showing me where I'm going to focus on putting glue. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of glue over there, maybe a little bit on this side. Well, I kind of like this part. It kind of looks like spikes are sticking out of their head. That's kind of interesting to me. Maybe I want to put fingers on the ends of the hands. That's kind of interesting. Maybe I want those legs to be a little thicker. And there you have it. That's my example. I worked on this for about 15 minutes. Your art class time is about 45 minutes, so you can spend even longer on yours if you'd like to. And just like with every class, you might decide after watching my video that you want to do something else. That's fine. The most important thing is that you spend 45 minutes being creative on some kind of art project. So for you, that might be drawing, that might be Legos or Play-Doh. Whatever you do, the most important thing is that you are exercising your creative muscles and you're doing something that you enjoy. All right, that's it for me. I can't wait to see what you made. Please upload pictures or videos sharing your work, and I hope you have a great time. See you guys later.